Unfreezing your Venmo, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. In this video we're going to tackle a common issue: how long it takes to unsuspend a Venmo account. This is a question that many Venmo users face, and we're going to break it down for you today.
Why are Venmo accounts suspended?
Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why a Venmo account might be suspended. Venmo might suspend an account due to suspicious activity, breaking Venmo's user agreement, or for security reasons such as suspected fraud.
How to unsuspend a Venmo account?
Now, if your account is suspended, you're likely wondering what steps you can take to unsuspend it. The first thing you need to do is contact Venmo's support team. You can do this through their app, their website, or by calling their customer service number. They'll guide you through the process of addressing the issue that caused the suspension.
How long does it take to unsuspend a Venmo account?
Finally, the key question: how long does it take to unsuspend a Venmo account? Well, it typically varies case by case, but in general, it can take anywhere between a few days to a few weeks for your account to be unsuspended. This time frame depends on the reason for the suspension and how quickly you respond to Venmo's inquiries or requests for additional information. Remember, maintaining the security of your Venmo account is crucial. If your account has been suspended, it's important to reach out to Venmo support as soon as possible and cooperate with their requests to speed up the unsuspension process. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and wish you a smooth and swift resolution to any issues with your Venmo account.